Hi everyone, in today's video I'm going to show you how I make moi moi. I'm going to start by picking the beans. I'm using regular brown beans for this, but you can use black-eyed peas or lentils. Pick the beans to remove any stones or dirt, then add enough water to cover it. Allow the beans soak for about 5 minutes so it's easier to peel. You don't want the beans soaking for too long because that will make the beans a bit harder to peel. Peel the skin off the beans by rubbing between your palms like this. You can also peel the beans using a food processor. Just pulse a couple of times and most of the skin will come off. When most of the peel has come off, add enough water to cover the beans so the skin floats to the top. Then gently pour the water off into a filter to get rid of the beans peel. Then you're going to repeat the process until all the peels has come off. It doesn't have to be perfect, just remove as much peel as you can. It's okay if there's some unpeeled beans left in there. When that's done, set the beans aside and then we're going to boil the eggs. I'm using the boiled eggs as the topping for the moi moi. You can use any topping you like. Some people like sardine, corned beef, and other protein choices. I just like to keep it simple by using plain boiled eggs. Boil the eggs for about 6 to 7 minutes. It doesn't have to be fully cooked because it will continue cooking when we add it to the moi moi. When the eggs are boiled, crack them and then place in a bowl of room temperature or cold water. Allow it sit for about 2 to 3 minutes and that is going to make the shell very easy to come off. If you're using fish as part of your moi moi topping, boil the fish with some salt and seasoning cube and any other spices you like. Allow it cool down and then shred. When you're done preparing your toppings, gather all the ingredients and we're going to get started on the moi moi. Add the peeled beans, bell pepper, onion, scotch bonnet pepper or habanero, crayfish, salt, oil and some seasoning cubes. Add enough water and then blend it until it's completely smooth. You're going to need a very good blender to do this because you want your moi moi batter as smooth as possible. I usually use my Vitamix blender for this because it gets it really smooth, and I'm going to add the link for the blender in the description box. Transfer the blended mixture to a ramekin. I'm using my glass ramekin. I'll also provide the link to this in the description box. You can also use regular ramekins or any heat-safe material to make this. Add the eggs or whatever topping you're using and then transfer to a wide pot. If your ramekins or container has a cover, you can cover it. Covering it is going to make the moi moi cook faster. Add enough water and then cover and allow the moi moi cook for about 40 minutes. I'm going to cook the leftover moi moi batter in my regular ramekins. You can also store any leftover batter in the fridge for up to 2 days or in the freezer for up to 3 months. After about 40 minutes, the moi moi is ready. It's super simple to make. Enjoy by itself or serve with gari, jollof rice or any other thing you prefer. I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't done so already, and if you're already subscribed, thanks for subscribing and I'll see you in the next one.